Hi there, it's Melissa Carr with the Tony Z team. I'm at our new listing at 6742 185th Street here in Cloverdale. This is one of our most favorite neighborhoods, great for families, and this home has been extensively updated, offering fantastic, beautiful appliances, upgraded finishings throughout, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus has a wonderful private backyard with a covered carport area, storage, plus there's a new roof on this home, air conditioning. You really have to come have a peek.